Hi everyone, welcome to Study Windows. Today we are going to learn the basic understanding of prepositions. Basically the meaning of preposition. There are thousands of prepositions are used in our day-to-day life. Before going to the main session, the meaning of individual preposition, which is mostly used in our daily life. So understanding of preposition. Take a box and take a ball. Now where is the ball? The ball is inside the box. So preposition is in or inside. So it is easy to remember. Inside the box, preposition is in or inside. Take a table and look at this dog. So the dog is on the table. So preposition is on. Now look at this boy. He is standing at a specific place. So the preposition at is used. Now the person is near to the box. So near. Preposition is near. And the apple is above the table. So above is a preposition. And that apple is below the table. So the preposition is below. Here the ball is through the channel. So the preposition is through. Here there are so many mangoes. And the apple is among the mangoes. So among. The person is between the elephants. So the preposition is between. The cat is in front of the box. So the preposition is in front of. The car is along the road. So the preposition is along. Horses are running across the road. So here preposition is across. The ball moves towards each other. So the preposition is towards. The ball moves in opposite direction. So here opposite is the preposition. This is up and it's a preposition, and this is down. It is also a preposition. All the apples into the box. So preposition is into. All the apples out of the box. So out of is the preposition. Here it is in front of. It is behind. It is on. This is above. This is under. This is below. So how do you place these all prepositions?